On Tuesday, February 4th, Black Student Union and Young Activist Coalition celebrated Black History Month with an assembly. The assembly included various acts like Family Feud, a lip sync battle, dancing, singing, and more.
It was a lot better this year than when I was involved last year, just because I knew how to do it. I knew what to add on to. And it was really fun. It was a big group this year, a lot of new people, and I just liked having fun with them.
Originally, the theme was going to be like unsung heroes, and that was just like a little bit, it was like a hard theme. So then it was the idea of through the decades, and I was like, decades, obviously, time machine. And then Jordan was like, you're crazy. And then I found a refrigerator box, and it didn't really fit in my house. My parents were very mad at me.
I'd say it's like a lot of a group effort. I know the Family Feud and the lip sync battle was a group effort. We had discussed on like ways to fill time.
Immediately, once I heard Family Feud, I'm like, I want to be Steve Harvey. I just wanted to be Steve Harvey. I just thought that'd be such a fun role. Had the ball caps and everything. They did a great job getting me prepared for it. I kind of got to let my own self show a little bit through that role.
Don't tell me your name, I forget. Name one of the most influential Black musicians.
Steve, I'm gonna go with Nat King Cole.
Good answer. Survey says.
I remember how any mistake I made,
About a month prior to the event, singer Zoe Likely wrote an original poem that was showcased during the assembly.
All of the Black community.
I kind of like added things and didn't say things during the assemblies. I personally didn't like it, but you know, whatever, it's over.
So I think it went really well overall. A lot of people were very engaged. I like that we got the teachers to come together. Everything was great.
We just want to make sure we give the proper...
For the Panther Press, this is Matteo Ventresca reporting.